course, this is during the COVID-19 outbreak. Got some fashionable yellow rubber gloves on to prevent contamination of anybody else that's going to pick up these rocks. Here are today's rocks that I'm going to be planting in the vicinity. We've got the mandala pattern, a little penguin, a little gold star on an orange or red rock, and the coveted gold nugget rock. And next to that, it's a little birdie. On the back of the rocks are details for where they should be tagged and shared. The old village pump. I think this is a likely candidate for a rock placement. So there we go. That's where the golden nugget is going to go. Red shell on top of the salt bin. I was heading here myself.
That's a handy road sign for the gold star.
Oh, look at that. Another painted shell. I'm going to put the birdie right here on top of this mysterious piece of urban furniture. Something about danger and electricity, so I'm not going to go prodding around inside there. It's probably not a good thing. During December there's a Christmas... Oh, there it is. I was going to say there's a Christmas tree around here somewhere, and somebody strings a set of Christmas lights on top of it. It looks quite nice. Here we go. Lifebuoy. And here's the reason why. Since we've been living down here, this pond, I guess, inflated stream, has always had some kind of water in it. It doesn't look too deep. It doesn't take too much to have an accident in. Looking at that, if you were so inclined, I'm guessing that you could wade across here with a decent pair of wellies on. I don't know to what end, but it does look possible. I just hit the stop button on the GoPro and managed to put my ankle down this hole over here and twist my ankle over. I'm hoping I'm just going to be able to walk it out, but that would have been hilarious to have it captured, full and all, and me rolling down the grass.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to follow us on social media.
Subscribe to our channel.
Give us a like.
And turn on notifications.
Bye.
Bye.